In order to enable and set up mobile hotspot on OPPO Find X9 Pro, first of all, we need to go to settings. Over here in settings, if you go to mobile network, then you should be able to find the personal hotspot. Now in here, before we actually turn on the hotspot, we can go to hotspot settings, where we can set up the hotspot name and the password, and also we can find some additional options like the AP band, where we can choose the frequency. We can also enable Wi-Fi 6 and so on. If you made any changes, tap on the save in the upper right corner. Now over here we can enable and disable the hotspot just by tapping on the switcher. When enabled, you can also tap on this QR code icon in order to generate the QR code to your hotspot, to your Wi-Fi network that you just created. Besides that, if you go to quick settings over here, you should also be able to find the personal hotspot option. As you can see, we can tap over here. You can also tap on the personal hotspot option itself in order to find the name and password, just in case you need to quickly check that information. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.